for us to break apart. Nothing else can make my heart